Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. These are essential tools for this simple task. You'll find a small slot on the side or bottom of your key fob, which is where we will begin the process. This quick change will have your key working perfectly again. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot you located. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to create a small gap, allowing you to fully open the casing without damage. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, test all the key fob's functions to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.